And here's number 1. Hernandez. It's the floater of the window bucket. Hernandez to the wings. Drives the floater of the window. Yes, sir. Nice floater. No good short. Rebound. Put back. Basket and 1. Arabe. Piler. Pass. Amito. Boom! Welcome to Abra Intertown 2024. Here's Inigo for 3. Bang! First block. Kit Jimenez. Pass to number 2. Pull up jar. Sa gitna. Rabe picks. Falling away. Rabe. No good. Rebound pa rin. Nireboundan yung ang lagi. And here's number 1. Hernandez attacks the floater of the window bucket. Hernandez. Inigo now with the ball. Pass to number 2 to the wings. Drives the floater of the window. Yes, sir. Pass. Exacto kay Kit Jimenez. Inside pass. Easy 2. Inigo with the ball. Deep 3. Bam! Inigo once again. Domingo against Inigo. Hernandez. Bump. Hook pass. And here's Kit Jimenez. Kit Jimenez drives to the wings. To the middle. Pull up G. Bucket. The net. Go. Pass to the wings. 4-3. Bang! 3-4. And the long pass. One pass. Amito. Shot. Easy 2. Amito. Jimenez against number 25. Goes to the wings. Attacks to the baseline. 4-3. Bam! Hernandez. Inigo goes to the screen to the middle. Pass to Amito. Alfiger. Bam! Alfiger. And here's Timlik 1 by Hernandez. Goes inside. Lace. Yes, sir. Domingo at the top. Pass to Hernandez. Pass to number 9. 4-3. Bang! 3 to 2-point lead. Asuncion goes to the wings. Floater off the glass. Yes, sir. Domingo. Sumigway sa gitna. One bump. Inside pass. Fakes clutch. Reul lost the handle. And Asuncion, pass break, Amito. Oh, dinakdak! Amito. Pass to Hernandez. To Domingo. Pull up J rejected. And here's Inigo. Inigo goes to the Ings. He stops. Pass to the middle. No look pass inside. Amito. Attacks. Pinabitin. Amito, bakit? Number 10. Pass to number 9. Hernandez. Liz. Yes, sir. Hernandez. Inigo. Bounce pass. Corner. To Inigo. Inigo attacking the defense. Floater. Basket and 1. Inigo setting the play. Oh, behind the backside place. Oh, what expectation. And there's Santos. Pass to Kit Jimenez. Goes to the screen. Kit Jimenez crossover. Goes to the middle. Pass to the court. Ito na, Santos. Sa gitna. Arabe bump. Fires. Floater. No good short. Rebound. Put back. Basket and 1. Arabe. That's the end. Oh. And here's Timlik 1 by number 11. Stops. Bounce pass. Arabe. 4-3. Short. And he's on Harry. He pass. Amito left-handed lace. Yes, sir. Against Alfiler. And he stops. Inside pass. Libre. Easy 2. Jimenez. Goes to the screen. To the middle. Arabe bump. Far short. Raban pa rin Arabe. Put back. Basket and 1. Arabe. And here's Kit Jimenez. To the corner. Hernandez. To Kit Jimenez. Goes to the screen. Attacks inside. Pinabitin. Pinasa. Fires off the window. Bakit? And the pass break. Lumipad na Liz. Bakit? Binawian. Inigo. Inigo now. Dribbling the ball. And against Domingo. Recover. Step back. Pass to Asuncion. Bounce pass inside. Falling na. Bitawan yung bola. And his pass. And his fire. Tips in. No one go. Put back shot. Bakit? Arabe. Inigo. Behind the back. Inigo. Against Kit Jimenez. Goes to the screen. Lays. Oh, good. And the long pass. And Hernandez left alone for 3. Bam! Tiger! Oh, pass to Hamito. Hamito. He pass to Inigo. Inigo, the floater. Bullseye. Inigo. Kit Jimenez. Jimenez pass to gets for Hernandez. Bam! Another 3. Asuncion. Asuncion. Goes to the middle. Attacks the lead. Short. Rebound and a pass. Kicks out for 3. One go. Rebound. Para sa Likuan Bahay. And this is for the lead. Picks. Pinasa pabalik. Arabe na good. And open look. Hernandez. One go. Rebound. Grabe naman yun ang tibay. Inigo. Inigo. Oh! Pinasa. And Hamito. Pinabitin. Bakit? For the lead. And here's Kit Jimenez. Set the play. Crossover, goes to the wings, attacks, and pass inside, libre picks, Arabe basket and one! Asuncion, pass to Inigo. Inigo against, and bump screens, pull up J. Inigo, won't go, rebound is Kit Jimenez, against Inigo, lumipad na, bakit? And here's Kit Jimenez. Jimenez is top open, look, bounce pass inside, is stolen. Inigo, Hamito, all alone, sinausaw. That's the end of, and the pass, open look for Pinasa sa loob, open, floater of the window, bakit? And here's Asuncion. Post up against Santos, natapikan ni Stolen, 2-on-1 ang laban, Domingo, minute bit rejected. Oh, literal na bagsak na block. Backdoor inbound. And Santos, bounce pass. Santos sa gitna. And here's Hernandez. Pass to number 11, lost the handle, stolen. Pass break. Eksakto na finish niya, Alfie. Asuncion. Pass open look, Alfie for 3. Won't go. Rebound. Pass break, pinasahan ng Kalapia. Eksakto pa rin kay Domingo. I-pass. Side this step, reverse layup, bakit? Hernandez. Inigo, nauna na doon, pass break. Picks, bump, pass rejected! Sa gitna, well, figure, open, number 11. For Likuan Bahay. Pass to Santos. Santos, pass. And the fakes attacks. Pull up Jing. Too strong. Rebound put back. Basket and one. Santos. Inigo. Inigo against number 11. Attacking the defense picks. Bounce pass inside. Na libre. Asuncion with the finish. Sabing tibay ng laban na to. Walang score. And crossover. Stops. Hernandez. Pinasa. Santos. Pull up Jing. Bakit Santos? And the pass. And Filler, yes sir, Filler. Number 11 for Team Likuan Bahay. Pass to the middle. Santos, rebound, soup, stolen. Alfiler, pass, Hamito, boom! Kit Jimenez, si pass. Hernandez, banking. Inigo. Inigo, open look, wide open, bang! 3. Inigo. Pass to Amito, inside pass, CC2. Jimenez, sharing the play. Sisinyas ng play. Arabe. And Jimenez, open look, free throw area. In and out. And the pass, Inigo for 3. Bang against Kit Jimenez. And here's Kit Jimenez. Crossover, nakalusot. Lisa, bucket, Kit Jimenez. Inigo. High pass, corner. Open look, Alfilier. One go short, put back. Easy to Asuncion. Jimenez. Here's Kit Jimenez. He stops, cross pass. Corner 3. Bang! Wow, looking for receiver. Fernandez. Fires, pump, yes sir, off the glass. And here's Dagio to the middle. Open look for 3. Bang! Here's Kit Jimenez. Bounce pass to the middle. And Arabe. High pass. Santos. Lace. Inigo. Inside pass. Lace. In and out. Rebound. And the pass break. Ito na. Liz, kinaliwa. Bakit? And here's number 11. Sumiksag na agawan. And here. Easy bucket. And here's Inigo. 66-64 pump. Basket and 1. Grabe namang tira yun. Oh! 3 minutes, 48 seconds left for the lead against Alfiler. And goes to the wings, stops to the middle, Arabe, bounce pass, Kit Jimenez, Euro step, reverse layup, basket! Here's Arabe at the top, at the logo area, he passes to Kit Jimenez. Kit Jimenez now with the ball, and the pass to Hernandez against Asuncion. Pull up jumper, bullseye in your face! For Team Likwan by Hamito, floater shot, on go, rebound, Hamito pa rin. 2 minutes, 39 seconds. Here's Hamito. Bucket. 9. Kit Jimenez. Kit Jimenez between the legs. He is at the top. Against Alfiler. Goes to the screen of Arabe. Corner, picks. Nalabog. Inside pass. Ang gandang pasa. What a ball! Here's Asuncion. And 3-point lead. Bounce pass. Hamito. Lozano stolen. Kit Jimenez. And the pass. Sa gitna. Attacks. Hernandez leads. Too strong. Reba pumpak. Bakit? For the inbound Asuncion. Down to 4-point lead. Pumasok yung isang free throw kanina sa technical. Inside pass. Hamito again for the post up. Pass to Inigo. Inigo attacking the defense. Falling away. Bullseye! 1 minute 30 seconds on the game clock. Still 2-point lead for Team Likwan by. Shot clock down to 10. Corner pass. Open look. Fakes. And the pass back. And for deep 3. One go. Short. Asuncion now. Asuncion. Bounce pass. Hamito. And pass to Inigo again. Inigo attacks. Bounce pass corner. Asuncion side step. Hamito pull up J for the tie. One go. And it's Kit Jimenez. Seconds on the game clock. Behind the back. Oh, my foul. And Kit Jimenez receives the ball. Shot clock down to 15. And 33 seconds. Side step. Corner. Picks. Kicks out for 3. 1, 2. Rebound. Hamito. Hamito. 22 seconds. Hamito. Nakalusot. All the way to the hoops. 1, 2. Oh. Bang! Bumaril na naman. Clock. 74-72. Baseline bounce pass. Stolen. And pass break. Ito na pass break! Yes! Easy bucket! win! Santa Game like Inigo. And sumigsag. Bam! Oh! Lost the handle. Bam! And for the win, congratulations, Liquan Bay once again.